Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.